Institutions supporting small business enterprises. In this topic, we are going to study about different institutions which support small-scale industries. In the economic development of India, a strategic position has been given to the development of village and small-scale industries. They constitute an important segment of the overall economy. Next to agriculture, the small-scale industry provides the greatest employment opportunity in rural and semi-rural areas. It contributes about 50% of the value added in the manufacturing. India's overall policy on all industrial development is contained in the Industrial Policy Resolution of 1956, which has been amended from time to time. New priorities have been developed to reduce the basic handicaps of small scale industries. You can see some of the central and state government institutions and organizations which has been enlisted as follows. Let us gain the knowledge of these state and central government institutions and organizations in detail. Here we begin with Small Scale Industry Board, that is an apex advisory body constituted to render advice to the government on all issues pertaining to SSI sector. The Office of the Development Commissioner serves as the secretariat for the board. They provide operational activities in the development of industrial region like Northeast. Quality improvement and marketing assistance are some domain in which small-scale industry board perform credit facilities, taxation and modernization programs. You might have heard about Khadi and Village Industries Commission, which is a statutory body created by an Act of Parliament. It is charged with the planning, promotion, organization and implementation of the program for the development of Khadi and other village industry in the rural areas, in coordination with other agencies engaged in rural development. Khadi Village Industry Commission also comprises building up a reserve of raw material and implements for supply to producers, creation of common service facilities for processing of raw materials and provision of marketing of Khadi village industries. It is entrusted with the task of providing financial assistance to the institution or person engaged in the development and operation of khadi and village industries and guide them through supply of designs, prototype and other technical information. Next, let us study Small Industry Development Organization. This organization has been established in 1954 on recommendation of Food Foundation. Over the year, it had seen that its role has been evolved into an agency for advocacy, hand-holding, facilitation for the small industrial sector. It provides services for testing, tool mending, training for entrepreneurship development, preparation of project and product profile, assistance for export, pollution and energy audits. It also provides economic information, services and advises the government in policy formulation for the promotion and development of small scale industries. National Small Industry Corporation Limited is very known organization which has shown strength through a progressive attitude of modernization, upgradation of technology over 4 decades of transition and growth in the small scale industrial sector. They possess quality consciousness, strengthening leakages with large and medium scale enterprise and boosting export for product from small enterprises. They provide government store purchases program and machinery equipment hire purchase on a lease scheme. National Science and Technology Entrepreneurship Development Board is established in 1982 by Government of India, which is an institution mechanism to help and promote knowledge driven and technology intensive enterprises. They promote and develop high-end entrepreneurship for science and technology manpower. They provide employment opportunity by utilizing science and technology infrastructure and methods. It conducts various informational services related to promotion of entrepreneurship. You can say that they are network of agencies of support system academic institution to foster self-employment by using S&T with special focus on backward areas. At central level, another organization is National Productivity Council. Its functioning is under overall supervision of this Ministry of Industry and Government of India. The primary objective is to act as a catalyst in enhancing the productivity of all sectors of the economy, including industry and agriculture. It is administered by a governing council which has equal representation from the government, industry, and trade union. It is active in the field of consultancy and training and has a number of specialized divisions to provide tailor-made solutions to agriculture and industry. These divisions by trained consultants and deal with issues related to industrial engineering, plant engineering, energy management, informal sector, agriculture, and so on. It is a member of the Asian Productivity Organization, Tokyo, which is an umbrella body of all productivity councils in Asian regions. National Institute for Small Industry Extension and Training. It has been set up in early 1950. They act as an important resource and information center for small units and undertake research and consultancy for small industry development. An autonomous arm of the Ministry of Small Scale Industry, the institute achieves its objective through training, consultancy, research, and education to extension and information services in 1984. It has been recognized as an institute of meritorious performance under its Center Excellence and Scheme to Extend Aid. National Institute for Entrepreneurship and Small Business Development is another central level institute under the administrative control of the offices of the DC Small Scale Industry. It had established in 1983 by the Ministry of Industry. It is an apex body for coordinating and overseeing the activities of various institutions engaged in entrepreneurship development, particularly in the area of small industry and business. The policy, direction, and guidance to the institute is provided by its governing council, whose chairman is the Ministry of Small Scale Industry. Besides conducting national and international training program, the institute undertakes research, studies, consultancy assignments, development of training aids, etc. Directorate of Industry. At the state level, the Commissioner or Director of Industry implement policies for the promotion and development of small scale, cottage, medium and large scale industries. The central policy for the small scale industrial sector serves as a guideline, but each state evolves its own policy and package of incentive. The Commissioner of Industry in all the state oversees the activities of field offices, that is, the district industry center is at the district level. Next is the district industrial center. Its program was to initiate in order to extend promotion of small scale and cottage industry beyond big cities and state capitals to district headquarters. It was established with the aim of generating greater employment opportunity, especially in rural and backward areas in the country. At present, it operates under respective state budgetary provision. Now, let us get knowledge of State Financial Corporation. Main objectives are to finance and promote small and medium enterprises in their respective states for achieving balanced regional growth, catalyze investment, generate employment, and widen ownership base of industry. Financial assistance is to provided by way of terms loan, direct subscription to equity, discounting of bills of exchange, and seeds capital assistance. It operates a number of schemes and refinance of IDBI and also extended equity type assistance. State Financial Corporation have tailor-made schemes for artisans and special target groups such as SC and ST, women, ex-servicemen, physically challenged, and also provide financial assistance for small road transport operators, hotel, tourism related activities, hospitals, and so on. State Industrial Development Investment Corporation. It has been set up under the Companies Act 1956 as wholly owned undertaking of the state government act as catalyst in respective states. It helps in developing land providing developed plots together with facilities like road, power, water supply, drainage and other amenities. They also extend assistance to scale sector by way of term loan, subscription to equity and promotional services. It is for your information that 11 out of 28 state industrial development investment corporation in the country also function as state financial corporation and termed as twin function IDCs. State Small Industrial Development Corporation. It has established under Companies Act 1956 as state government undertaking which caters to small tiny village industry in respective states. Being operationally flexible undertakes the activities like obtaining and distributing of insufficient raw materials and provide machinery to small scale industry units on hire purchase basis. They give assistance to perform marketing of product. They facilitate allied infrastructure services and other their maintenance for construction of real estate. As you have gone through many central and state level institution and organization, now let us consider some other state level agencies and other agencies which are as follow. State Infrastructure Development Corporations, State Cooperative Banks, Regional Rural Banks, State Export Corporations, Agro Industries Corporation, Handloom and Handicrafts Corporation. Now, let us study some other agencies where Housing and Urban Development Corporation Limited, whose primary objective is to provide assistance for urban social sector infrastructure and the creation of housing facility to create small scale industry infrastructure. It provides assistance for the promotion of building material industries besides imparting consultancy, training and technical in related manner. Technical consultancy organization provides services including preparing project profiles and feasibility studies, undertaking industrial potential surveys, identifying potential entrepreneur and provision of technical and management assistance to them. It undertakes many market research and survey for specific products and carry out energy audit and energy conservatism assignment. This is for today. See you in the next session. Thank you.